Guys, welcome to WordPress introduction. Okay, so I am going to introduce myself. My name is Sarwar Ahmed and I have published many courses online, different platforms. So first of all, I want to tell you my pronunciation and my English is little weak because I have some review. This instructor don't know how to talk, this instructor don't know how to speak, so don't consider these things. You can mute my voice or you can listen my voice, this one up to you. But when I am going you live practical training in WordPress, okay, this is 100% live and practical, like that no one teach you in any platform, because I see most of the guys, they are doing and training by localhost, they are doing by training by offline. I am here already connected internet. I will show you the different website, I will give you idea, I will give you how you will build your own website. Okay, so we will go for advanced WordPress courses, live practical video tutorial, and we will start from the basic to advanced and will process by SEO, content writing, off page, on page, everything we will do, and I will give you a basic things. But if you have any question, any technical issue with the WordPress, any technical issue with the theme, you can direct message me inbox. So if I have time, I will come by remote or by TeamViewer to correct this issue, or to make a video to upload for the older students. The next, I did not prepare how we will go, how we are going to do, but we'll start from the basic. Okay, basic start, we will upload a theme, we will upload content. I will give you the idea. We have different types of website. We have classified site, we have e-commerce site, we have affiliated site. Okay, then we have content management site, we have a courses site, we have macro niche sites. For different type of sites we have. So I have created a PPT in front of you. We will go one by one. So this is the video for the introduction. Okay, and once complete the course, okay, I will tell you what I have teach in this course. We'll make another video to upload in the introduction second lecture. So now I have already opened some sites, so I will show you live. Let's have a look, and you can make your idea, you can prepare yourself which niches you are going to build your website. We will install plugin, we will do the setup plugins and everything, but most important, you need to ask me a question, so I have an idea of what you need. So first of all, I have one website. This is my own website. Its name is clipotech.com. So this is only for content managed marketing. Okay, you can do the advertisement. This one ads by Google, and I have uploaded articles. Okay, celebrity, biography, internet marketing, technology, about us, content, contact us. So you can choose however you want. This is theme. Okay, most important, what Google wants is a simple design. Okay, simple design. You see, this is only simple design I have made, and only articles are here, nothing else is there. If you need AdSense approval and other publisher approval, so you need to make a simple site. If you click on different categories, you will find our articles. So I would like to request everyone to visit my website again and again and share with your team. So this is team name. I will show you, I will introduce one Envato market. Okay, in this market you have a lot of item. Okay, if you see here, Okay, web theme, templates, codes, video, audio, graphic, photo, 3D. Even you can download logo, theme. Okay, so this is Theme Forest. If I click on this market, and you will see they have different types of platform. Okay, you can choose any of platform and you can run your own work. Okay, so what is the theme I have installed? I recommend you to buy your own theme because they have an updates and you can easily update by creating a simple key. Just click and update the theme. Okay, because it's good for you to use your own theme and paid theme. We have many themes are free available online. You can search in Google, you can find. Okay, I have purchased my theme downloadable and I will show you this theme. Name is Shifa Responsive theme. I will add this theme link in description and you have to buy the license. And I have also one theme is AdForest. So for this all I will show you how you will upload, how you will build your website and how you will set up all that things. Main is the issue. You can register your domain, you can think your idea, you can buy hosting, you can install WordPress and you can post the articles. Okay, I have only 2 themes I have purchased. Okay, so I think this is the best themes whatever I choose, and you can go by what is your niches. As per your niches, if you want to search, like I will click here. Okay, I need the classified theme. So I search, you see the many sample are here. Okay, car, sport, motors. Okay, you can get also idea here. Classify, AdForest is here, $69 you can buy. Okay, 41,000 sales. Very good theme this one. Okay, then you can choose if you want to build your website. Like I can go e-commerce. You will find the best themes here and you can see the sales. You can choose best site here. I think one is the best theme is first one. Okay, so you can open and you can also review and view the demo live preview. If you click on live preview and you can watch here theme. So all things I will buy one of the theme point of view and we will go step by step all the procedure. So first is our site is content CMS, content management system in WordPress. So the next is we have website name is USA Cracklist. Okay, so this also site for the post classified, and in this site I will give you an idea different type of earning you can make. First one is in this site you can upload the content. If you click on blog, you have articles. Okay, then the second you can add post and ad. Okay, you can post any of the ads on this site or any user can post. Then you have packages. Okay, you can make packages. Then next you have affiliate marketing you can do on the site. Then you can put any publisher backlink or any publisher ads on the site. Okay, the next you can make this site as a e-commerce website. Okay, all in one theme you can do, all in one website you can also do. Okay, the next is we have affiliate site. Okay, this one hairstylecode.com. These all are not my websites, only first 2 are my websites, and still this site is going on. We are doing the SEO and content, and we are uploading a listing, and you can see this site have target for countries. All are things we will do one by one, because this theme you can download and buy from here, and if you want to install, customize, do the changes, make your own, how you will do all the things I will teach you in this course. So the sites also, you can see this is affiliate site. Also they have uploaded a Google Ads and contents. So if I click on I click on this, and you can see these sites have different ads. One is Google Ads, and they have article, a great article. Okay, then they have uploaded this. See, check the prices, check price. Okay, then see last, shop related product. So this is all our affiliated links by ads by Amazon. See, ads by Amazon, ads by Google, and also if I click on link, this one also related to Amazon. Okay guys, so these are the tops, and most guys are using these things. Next we have Avoki, this one premium theme for Shopify theme, and this is e-commerce website. If you want to do e-commerce business, okay, you can choose theme from Envato Market. Okay, so you can click. So I have only this one for the demo. Okay, and if you want to build your own website, you can search here and got the idea. Like I have one site. Okay, this is the website for Amazon company, and this one in UAE and Arab Emirates. Okay, this is the e-commerce site. You want to make, you can make by self. Okay guys, so next is how you will build your site. So we'll go for the next video or next lecture. I will give you an idea. I will suggest to you where you want to buy a domain, how you will buy domain, how you will register your hosting and domain. All the details will go in next video. So stay tuned with me. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.